Have you ever gardened? It's fun, yes? Satisfying? Yes. Working closely in concert with Mom and Nature, we plant seeds, we tend the soil, we bask in the satisfaction and awe as our efforts bloom. And if it's a vegetable garden, the harvest can be downright tasty. I see our lives as a garden. We choose the seeds we plant and we tend them with care. What we harvest is a direct result of the work we do. Are you clear on the type of garden you want to grow? For instance, I envision my garden as a thriving coaching business. The seeds I plant are producing speeches. These allow me to share with as many folks as possible my ideas and how I might be of help. The weeding and watering I do to tend this garden are the talks I give and the connections I nurture. And I make sure I am using fertile seeds and I give them the best chance to grow. Think about the garden you want to plant. Is the vision of your garden crisp enough to get you out of bed in the morning? Is it clear enough to keep you focused on doing what you can? Remember to plant the right seeds and to water them with care to make sure that what you harvest is the crop that you dream about. And enjoy it. It's fun. Have fun with it. So here's to a tasty and bountiful harvest. Just saying.